update on the equity markets. Nifty opened on a flat to positive note. Thereafter, it continued to drift down throughout the day, ended the day on a negative note, down 196 points. The market breadth was negative with 320 advances to 1161 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, ITC, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, State Bank of India, Infosys, L&T, HUL were some of the major losers, while Zee Limited, Lupin and Bharti managed to close the day on a positive note. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty wasn't able to surpass yesterday's high and has closed below the 20 and the 40 daily moving averages. It has breached the previous swing low of 82.70, where a couple of times the Nifty took support and bounced off. So that swing low has been broken. The moving averages have been reached. The daily momentum indicator has been given a negative crossover in today's trading session. So considering all these three factors, we have changed our short-term trend to negative for a target of 8010. 8010 is the previous, when we connect the previous two swing lows which were touched in December last year and in early May this year, then we get a crucial support around the 8000 mark. So that 8010 is our short-term target on the downside, and the 8468, which is yesterday's high, is kept as a reversal for the short-term trend. So our short-term trend changes to negative for a target of 8010, reversal 8468. Now moving on to the RE charts, you can observe that the Nifty has continued to drift lower throughout the day. Considering the fact that we have a 200 point kind of a fall in today's trading session, if we get a bounce back, if we get a retracement of this current fall, then that should be not used as a buying opportunity. In fact, traders should look for initiating short positions at resistances. Resistances are placed at 8300 and 8363. So that are crucial levels, or that are the levels around which the traders can initiate short positions. On the downside, 8210 and 8089 are crucial supports. And now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty wasn't able to surpass this previous three resistances that we can see. It was trading near the daily upper Bollinger Band. However, the price action did not indicate that a trend reversal was around the corner. In today's trading session in Bank Nifty also, it has closed below the 20 and 40 daily moving averages. The previous swing low has been reached, and the daily momentum indicator has also triggered a negative crossover. So considering all these three factors, the Bank Nifty also should drift lower in the coming trading sessions. Sell-on rises should be the strategy for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. 17,720 and 17,250 are crucial supports. 18,150 and 18,260 are crucial resistances. So overall trend, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty have changed to negative. In today's trading session, we saw the Nifty breaching the previous swing low of 8270, where it was taking a decent amount of support. So that low has been breached. The Nifty has closed below 20 and 40 daily moving averages. The daily momentum indicator has triggered a negative crossover. So considering all these three factors, we have changed the short-term trend to negative for a target of 8010 with a reversal placed at 8468. So that's all for the day. Thank you.